Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video I will show you how you can take photos using application on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! So we have our GoPro here, currently inside the photo mode. Let's simply go into application GoPro Quik. If you don't know how to set it up, you can always do it here. And that's interesting. There's an ad, but you can ignore it and continue as Quest, though technically you could also log in into the account. Now in here, you want to go to GoPro itself, and as you can see you can switch the mode here. It will automatically switch the modes here, and you can simply take a photo. Nice! And you can also automatically download it. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.